deep sea, a world of darkness, crushing pressure, and creatures so strange they seem almost alien. For centuries, these deep-sea beings have lived undisturbed, hidden in the depths where light does not reach. But something is changing. Recently, strange sightings have been reported. Creatures that belong in the abyss are washing up on shores, appearing in shallow waters, surfacing where they don't belong. Why is this happening? Is it a natural phenomenon? A warning? A sign of something much bigger? Let's dive in. In the past few months, reports of deep-sea creatures surfacing have been increasing. These creatures are built for extreme depths. They should not, cannot, survive near the surface. And yet, they are appearing, again and again. The Canary Islands, a massive oarfish, sometimes called the doomsday fish, washed up on the shore, lifeless. Locals were terrified, recalling old legends that link these creatures to impending earthquakes. Mexico, Baja California, another oarfish struggling in the shallows, its long silver body twisting and turning before finally washing ashore. Tenerife, a rare deep-sea anglerfish, known as the Black Sea Devil, spotted near the surface. A creature so rare, most people have only seen it in deep-sea exploration footage or horror movies. But these are not isolated incidents. Reports are coming from all over the world. Japan, the Pacific. Oarfish sightings have historically been recorded before seismic activity. The Atlantic, near Spain, the Canary Islands. Climate change is drastically altering ocean currents here. The Indian Ocean. Scientists are noticing unusual shifts in deep-sea ecosystems. Marine life is acting unpredictably. So what's happening? Scientists have a few theories. One possibility? Climate change. Oceans are warming. Ice caps are melting. And with them, entire ecosystems are shifting. Deep-sea creatures depend on stable environments. If those environments start to collapse, they have no choice but to move. But move where? The surface is not a place they can survive. Another explanation. Seismic activity. Some believe that underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions may be displacing these creatures, forcing them up from the depths. Historical records do show a link between deep-sea fish sightings and earthquakes. But is it coincidence or something more? Then there's human activity, pollution, deep-sea mining, noise disturbances from massive shipping vessels. The deep ocean is no longer as silent and untouched as it once was. Could we be disrupting these creatures in ways we don't yet understand? And finally, natural causes. Some of these creatures may simply be old, sick, or injured. Unable to return to the depths, they drift until the tides push them ashore. But here's why this matters. At first, it might seem like a strange curiosity, a bizarre fish on a beach, a deep-sea monster caught by accident. But if we look closer, these creatures are warning signs. They are indicators of something much larger happening in our oceans. If deep-sea life is being forced to the surface, it means the balance of the ocean is shifting. And when the ocean changes, the entire planet feels it. Disruptions to marine ecosystems don't just affect sea life. They impact weather patterns, food chains, and ultimately us. And if there is a link between these creatures surfacing and seismic activity, could they be an early warning system for natural disasters? Could studying them help us predict earthquakes before they happen? One thing is certain, the deep sea is still one of the least understood places on Earth. And every time one of its creatures rises to the surface, it's reminding us of just how little we truly know. What do you think? Are these deep-sea creatures trying to tell us something? Is this a sign of something bigger? Or just another unsolved mystery of the ocean? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating mysteries. Because the ocean still holds secrets, and we're just beginning to uncover them.